Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Revolution Forever Flawless Into the Night eyeshadow palette. It comes in this protective plastic sleeve, and the sleeve isn't really important. I mean, you can see the shades here, I think, just so that you know what it looks like, what the colors are inside. But you do get the information here on the sticker on the back, and then this is the cover here. It's really pretty. It's one of those tin or metal packages, and it looks like a crazy big, like, I mean, it looks like Batman's house. It looks like Wayne Manor in some kind of crazy universe. It's super dark, and there's Batman. Well, Batman doesn't turn into a real bat, so maybe it's Dracula or something. But yeah, there's bats and the moon, and these this gothic type building that's sort of institutional on the cover. And then on the inside you do get, you know, protective sleeve, you get a full mirror, and you get 18 different colors. They're eyeshadows and pressed pigments. It tells you which on the back. It is vegan and cruelty free. I'll go ahead and swatch these. I'll try to swatch these quickly. So we've got Ghost, Suspense, Fear, and Eerie. And there's little bats on the pans. I don't know if you can see that. But some of the pans have little bats on it, and they're really cute. So, Ghost, Suspense, Fear, and Eerie. Then we have Thriller, Creature, Moonlight, and Spook. So that's Thriller, Creature, Moonlight, and Spook. Okay, we have Unknown, Vamp, Vanish, and Evil. Then we're going for Dead, Escape, Mystery, and Gothic. And let me swatch these up here though, I guess. Dead, Escape, Mystery, and Gothic. And then we have Lurking and Midnight. So there's Lurking and Midnight. So there's the color scheme. You can see most of the colors are light, very pale, or very mid-tone, and a lot of them are grays or taupes. We've got a ton of grays and taupes. We've got these two darker mattes. We've got, this is a little bit darker shimmer, and so is this. This is probably a very, this is a very foiled metallic, but the rest of the shimmers are just kind of your average shimmer, your regular shimmer formula. We've got, a pink, a pinky lavender, and really we've only got a few mattes. Matte, 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 matte. So there's only 6 mattes, and the rest are all shimmers, 12 shimmers. Here it is again. So it's interesting. I don't have a palette like this where it's very pale, but I do kind of like it, for the kind of like Halloween season, for like a ghosty kind of look. And I think I'll actually use it a lot. I mean, you can deepen it up with the black, but and the dark purple. So I could see myself using this actually quite a bit. And I really do like the tin. As for Revolution Beauty, I bought a lot of their Halloween stuff because they have a lot of Halloween theme releases. And so I did that the last couple Octobers. And what I found out is the tin packaging here, or the metal packaging here, is the best quality. It's sort of like a medium to medium high sort of quality. They're only $15. And these are the ones I kind of recommend the most out of any of the other Revolution palettes. The cardboard ones are okay. The flimsy plastic ones tend to be patchy and more difficult to blend. And those are the sort of the $8 palettes. They can go on sale for $6 or $3 even. So, I mean, you're kind of getting what you're paying for with the different quality. Like the cardboard packagings, I think, are 10 or 12, and then these are 15. So you are getting better quality with these, and they actually kind of look cooler, I think, because they often have an image here. So, anyway, let me just go in and test the shadows and let you know what I think. Okay, so I'm going to start with Creature here. Well, actually, I'm going to start with Dread. And I'm just going to go ahead and set everything with Dread because it is a color that's close to my skin tone. And that way I can use Creature here. Creature's a little bit deeper, and I'll use that in the crease. Those shades are really similar. Dread is brighter than Creature, so if you want to go for a brighter look, that's why I left Dread up higher, and I'm going for Creature a little bit lower so that it's more brightening up on top. And then I'm going to do sort of a gray look today. I wiped off this brush and I'm going to go into Eerie. Going in the crease slightly higher. I'm going to go into Vanish. It's that taupe color. And just add that to the crease so there's a little more depth. And that's all the mattes. Actually, I just use all the mattes except for Mystery and Gothic. And I'm going to go into Vanish more. Build it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to take a touch of Gothic. I'm wearing black and white today, so I want to kind of stay black, white, gray. I just did a touch. Just a little touch so that I can blend it. And kind of smoke it out and not have it be intense black. Probably want to touch a little bit more on this side. So far, nothing's patchy, nothing's blending away. Now I just want to use some of these shimmers. Does it look as smooth on camera? I feel like on camera I'm getting a little, but I'm not seeing that really in real life as much. I'm getting a very smooth blend. In the mirror, I'm seeing a very smooth blend. I think I'll go with Evil. The one thing about this palette is there's so many shimmers to choose from, and a lot of them are the same sort of tone. They're just slightly different colors, but they are sort of a lighter in tone. So since I want to stay with the gray, this is kind of a taupe color, so I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna go with Spook here, which is more of a gray. And at the very corners, I'm going to use Fear. Fear's the darkest, but it is not that dark. I'm just going to put a little bit of Fear on the outer edge of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take Ghost, which is the white shimmer. Okay, I'm going to do something on the lower lash here. I'm going to go with Thriller, the silvery color. And I think I'll take Unknown. Unknown is sort of a middle silver. I'll just put a little bit of Unknown. Okay, I'm going to take the brush that I did the black and just kind of blend these colors in here. And I'm going to finish up and be right back. Okay, I am back, and what do I think? I like it. I think it's, you know, kind of ghostly and shimmery, silvery, and it's gonna go with my look for I'm going out tonight. Kind of matches the feel of the cover, a ghostly moonlighty look, and I like that. I think for $15, I'm really happy with this. I'm happy with the way everything performed. Nothing blew me out of the water, but it was all fine. If you're looking for sort of a ghostly, moonlighty, mid-tone, silvery, taupey palette, I think this is a good price, and it's good. Heavy on the shimmers though, light on the mattes. You know, I feel like you can get depth with it because there's that black and there's that deep purple. Am I happy I have it? Sure. Could I live without it? Probably. I think I could get the same look. I have the Smoke Show or Blow and Smoke, whatever palette from ColourPop, and I think you could kind of get something similar with that. Or if you have the Natasha Denona, you know, silver and black one, you could probably get the same look, I'm guessing, but this is a lot lower price point than that one, and you get more shades. So anyway, verdict is I like it. I recommend it if you're looking for this kind of look at, you know, the lower price point, and if you like the package, it's cute. Thanks for joining me. That's it for today's video, and thanks for watching.